Hey guys, today I am back with a quick unboxing video. So yesterday I received a package from the Balm Cosmetics, and yes, I did open it and I realized that one of the products was broken, so it kind of like spilled everywhere, and I'm like, oh no, I can't do this right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, and let's do this. So I was not expecting this package, and it came in this cute little kit. It's like a little lunchbox. I think that is so adorable. So it's called the Balm Fire Highlighting Shadow Blush Duo. I think that is so freaking cute. I love it. So when I opened the box last night, you know, it came with all the info and stuff, and it was neatly packaged, so I'm pretty sure it was UPS's fault, or USPS. So anyway, in the box I received the Mad Lash Black Mascara. So I got that in the mail. I haven't tried this one yet. And they sent me the Schwing liner. This is my favorite matte black liquid eyeliner. Like, this right here is the Balm.com, literally. So here we go. And what I liked is, like, the last package that I got the bronzers and stuff, and they sent me like 2 of each one. So I think that is really awesome. I am really grateful that they do that, because I get to keep, you know, my set, and I get to put the other set towards my clients. So they sent me doubles of these, and I like literally opened them all to see if any more were broken, and there was just like one. So yeah, so I need to go through them again. Okay, so for the first one, it's called Beach Goer. And the packaging, I love their packaging. You gotta admit, it is super cute. So it comes with 2 shades. And of course, it's a highlighting shadow and blush duo. So I thought they were like, you know, the blush was gonna be like matte and then you got your highlight or whatever, but I noticed that they all have shimmer. So Beach Goer. So here you got High Tide. And don't worry, I will take pictures so you could see that, and I'm not gonna swatch them or touch them right now until I figure out which ones I'm gonna keep. And then we got Low Tide. Look at that, that is so cute. Cute, I love it. Okay, so High Tide and Low Tide. I mean, look how much shimmer is in there. It's literally blinding that you can't even see it. So that's the first one. So the next one is called Game Day. So cute. I love their little packaging style. Obsessed. So I gotta open them gently because I forgot which one broke. Okay. So I did notice that this one was coming apart. If you can kind of, can you see that? You see how it's coming up? Okay, so here we have Pre-Party. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one because I'm gonna have to fix that. And then we got Victory. That's really pretty. Now the next one is called Night Owl. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so this isn't the one that's broken. Thank God. So here we got Dusk. That's really pretty. And Dawn. I like that. Very nice. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's the second one to this one. I think that broke. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it came. So I'll be keeping this one and just fixing it. I mean, the bottom one was okay. It was just the top. So that was all that was in that little box. I think everything was super cute. The colors and everything are so beautiful and so shimmery. Like, I can't wait to swatch them. I'm gonna do that next. I am not one of those people that make a really big deal about broken product or something like that, because I know how to fix it, so it's really not big of a deal to me. So thank you so much, the Balm. I cannot wait to test these out. I really appreciate this. I was not expecting this at all, so I am very grateful that I got these. So yeah, and I will put the links down below so you can shop with them. I don't have a code, so just to let you know. But if you really want to try a nice matte black eyeliner, this is the shiz right here. I love it. I love it. So just stay tuned on my Facebook and on my Instagram for more pictures and, you know, me incorporating them in my looks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you all so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.